In today's video, I'm going to take you back a few months before we had all the concrete in the property done. Before we started to dig out the floors, we wanted to remove the old chimney breast to give us more space in our bathroom and future bedroom.
Right guys, so as you've probably seen in other clips, we had this corner in the other room, which is the bathroom. And in this house, we've got pretty much a fireplace in every single room, which is, I believe, what they used to have back in the day. So that's the fireplace boarded up. It backs onto another 45-degree chimney, and they both went up through the roof, through the hip end and outside. So this is the chimney on the other side. As you can see, they've made a little slate lintel. They put a little coping piece in the middle to support it. And that is the back of the other room. As you can see there, the 45 degrees. And that is the separation wall in the middle, and that used to be the flue, which you can see is all coated in soot.
This took Rhys a few evenings after work to get the one side out, and then he turned his focus onto the other room. And before we knew it, both sides of the chimney were out. If we skip forward a few weeks, all of the concrete floors were done, and Rhys had a sturdy surface to now work from to build the wall back up.
Today my plan is to try and get this blocked up and work on this wall. But first I just need to clean up some of these bricks, clear some of the mortar off the old bricks, and then just put a mix on and get it all chucked in.
While Rhys is here just clearing all this up ready, I've got these pile of bricks here. And as you can see, they still have the black ash mortar on. So I have a chisel and a hammer, and I'm just taking the black ash mortar off so Rhys can rebed them.
What we're going to be doing is we've set out already for the windows. I don't know if you can see a pencil mark, but we've got a 500mm window by here by 2 meters. And then we also have a 1350 wide windows going in here, and starts there and goes up to the same pencil line up there. We can't see the pencil line, unfortunately. But basically, we've gone over the builder's merchants. We've picked up our concrete lintels. So the next step now is to come over here. We're going to stitch drill out the internal skin, put a concrete lintel in, go outside, do the same, so that's all supported, and then we can take all this block work out. And then the same for over there, we need to do the external skin, but we've got a bit of a problem because over here is where the lintel needs to be resting, but as you can see, there's no internal skin at the moment, so I've got to tile this back in first before we can do these lintels for this larger window. Just need to cut this lintel to size. It's got to be 800mm for the 500 opening, but they only sell them in 900, so just nipping 100mm off the end and then we can chuck it in place. So guys, I thought I was making really good progress cutting through that steel, but as you can see there, I probably went about 2mm into that 6 to 8mm steel bar, and the rest just snapped off.
Luckily.
Unfortunately, I could have got through that with my 9-inch grinder, but the 9-inch grinder died, I do need to look at it and get it sorted out if we're going to be cutting more of these. Pockets cut out for the lintel fits perfectly. All I need to do now is get some shims and pack it all up, put some packers in there, and then dry pack it with some cement and sand, leave it dry, and then we can carry on the next side another day. So guys, yesterday I finished the 2 lintels in this window here. That's probably all set and dry now. Just got to cut down here, but today's mission is I need to get the lintel in across there, but as you can see the wall plate there is not supported or anything. I've just packed it up temporary from where we took the chimney out, and I might try and put some support in that roof there because I got to take 1 row of bricks out, and I don't know if there'll be any movement. So I'm going to see what I can do, and you'll see that on the GoPro in a minute.
I think that we've all had enough. Keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet.
Oh god, look the state on you.
So guys, as you can see, I'm in a bit of a mess. We did bring some ceiling down this morning, but as you can see, I've taken all the brickwork out up to the wall plate. I've put some braces in, I've put a timber all the way across the rafters to tie it all in. Unfortunately, it was just too loose and falling apart. So now I've got my space, I can put both my lintels in straight away, and I can start bricking up on top, and then in the morning, when it's set, I can put some packers into the top to support the wall plate and then point all that up. After a bit of hard work, managed to get the lintels in. Got the outside one pointed up and the inside one pointed up. As you can see, all the way through, nice and level. Plenty of bear in each end, we've got almost 200 mil there. I think we've got like 200 mil this end as well. I ended up taking out the internal skin, as you can see. I'm going to have to put that back in, and I've taken 1 layer of the external skin out. So I put these lintels in first. Going to do the outside skin because, as you can tell, the brick is like halfway up this timber. There's no way I was getting the bricks in along that lintel. Perfect timing though, because it just started raining again. Good old Wales. So yeah, we get these external skin bricks in and then start on the internal. And as I said, tomorrow, once it's all dry, I can put some shims in between the wall plate and the top brick and point it all up. Right guys, so yesterday we finished up the lintel and we put 2 courses of brick in. I just need 1 more course to go in, and then I can pack all the wall plate up. But today's plan is to stitch drill down either side. I would use my disc cutter, but that's dead, and plus it create a lot of dust. So stitch drill all the way down, then we start knocking the blocks out for this window. And then if we get that done today, I can make a start on stitch drilling the other one. Bit of a change of plan, guys. The drill's struggling to get through because there's moisture in the bricks and it keeps clogging the drill up and making it hard to drill through. Sawzall won't cut through the bricks, so we're just going to have to wait until we can borrow a bigger disc cutter to disc through the skins better and have a clean cut. So for now, because I've already put like a reveal in this side, I can take the bricks out over here. So that's what we're going to do now, just something a bit easier.
Right guys, so it's Friday afternoon and today the windows are being installed in here. So our window fitter is my brother-in-law. He is coming, he's got a disc cutter that we can borrow. I think him and Reese are going to do it together and then they're going to fit these windows in here, which is really good. And I think we are about a week or two out from the window and aluminium doors being made for over here and being installed, which is really exciting. So Reese is measuring up now. We're on the lintels where the window needs to go. Okay. Yeah, and then Dan's arriving soon and hopefully we can get cutting.
Right guys, so as you can see, one window already in. Dan's just chucked it in really quick. That's the good thing about being a window fitter, you make it look so easy. So we're going to jump onto the next window and cut it all out and get it ready for the long window. Right guys, so that is the windows installed after knocking out for them. If you like this video, go down below, leave a comment, and don't forget to like. And if you haven't already, go and subscribe, and we will see you guys in the next video.